So what is a network? In this presentation, I'm going to describe the following: how a network works, what's the components of a network, and how does wireless networks came about. So example how we use networks today. We use them for file sharing, video conferencing like Skype, FaceTime, web surfing, checking our emails, going to google.com, online gaming, instant messaging, social media like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and voice over IP, which we get from our phone providers. So what is the definition of a network? A telecommunication network is which allows computers to exchange data. In a computer network, a network or computer device exchanges data with one another. Connection between nodes using either Ethernet or wireless technology. The best known example of this would be the internet. So what do we use it for? Networking groups large banks of computers together, setting data to servers, surfing the internet, streaming video services like Netflix, YouTube, communication to one another, and voice over IP. So how does the network work? Well, what happens is your computer sends data to a device. A device in the middle which is called a router, allows other computers to connect to them. We can send things from server to printer to another computer. So what are the parts of a network? Well, we need computers, obviously. We need routers, we need switches, we need servers, printers, wireless access points, and routers. So what's the purpose of a wireless network? Well, wireless network came about, people didn't want to run expensive network cables through their offices, so they started investigating and looking into using radio frequencies. What this does is it sends a communication back and forth between a router and a computer by wireless. What's the advantages of a wireless network? Well, ease of use, very cost effective. It doesn't cost a lot to put a router in with wireless capabilities. No need to run expensive network cables through your building, and also mobility. So what's the disadvantages of wireless? Radio interference, any type of interference from other wireless networks, or things like fluorescent light bulbs or microwave ovens or even your cordless phones can interfere with your wireless networks. It's not as secure as cable or fiber optic. Ranges of wireless networks, they're limited to a couple hundred feet. Most networks now average about 300 feet. And something they call refraction. Refraction is bouncing of signals off of denser materials like concrete, hard walls. So summary, a network. What is a group of connected devices that communicate one another. They transmit over different types of media, whether it's wireless or network cables. We use it in our everyday life to check our Facebook, our social media like Twitter, stream our favorite videos, YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, and even play online games with friends and family.